நாங்கள் இங்கே காவேரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் எல்லா மல்டி ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டிஸ் இன்க்ளூடட் கைனகாலஜிஸ்ட், யூராலஜிஸ்ட், யூரோகைனகாலஜிஸ்ட் இவங்களை எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து நாங்கள் பெண்களுக்கு சேவை செய்யணும் என்ற ஒரு மோட்டோவோட ஒரு மிஷனோட இந்த மையத்தை தொடங்கியுள்ளோம்.
Good morning everyone. So today is a very auspicious day in Kaveri Hospital, Alvarpet, and because we have launched the Women Wellness Clinic, and we are very honored that actress Shalini Ajit had made her honors here and unveiled the clinic for us. So the main purpose is, as a physician, we see on a daily basis a lot of women. ஸோ ஒரு பிபி, சுகர், ஹார்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்னா ஓப்பனாக வந்து பேசுறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு இடம் இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்லாருமே என்ன கேட்குறாங்க, ஒரு பொதுவாக பேசும்போது உனக்கு பிபி இருக்கா, உனக்கு சுகர் இருக்கா, நீ டாக்டரை பார்த்தியா, உன் ஹார்ட் நல்லா இருக்கா, இதெல்லாம் பேசுறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு இடம் இருக்கு. டுவர்ட்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், ஃபேமிலி, ஒரு லேடிக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேசும்போது இதை தான் பேசுகிறாங்க. பட் எல்லா விமனுக்குமே there might be a problem which is underlying, which they are not being able to open up. அது மெயினாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களுடைய மார்பக சம்பந்தமாக இருக்கலாம், லைக் பிரெஸ்ட் இஷ்யூஸ், ஆர் இட் குட் பி வித் தேர் யூட்ரஸ், மென்ஸ்ட்ரல் சம்பந்தமாக இருக்கலாம், ரொம்ப ஓவர் ப்ளீடிங்காக இருக்கலாம், ஃபர்டிலிட்டி இஷ்யூஸாக இருக்கலாம், ஆர் சம்டைம்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் குட் பி ஈவன் அ நார்மல் இன்கான்டினன்ஸ்னா அவங்களுக்கு யூரினை வந்துட்டு ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிக்க முடியாது. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து டே டு டே லைஃப்பில் வந்துட்டு இட் கிவ்ஸ் them a lot of ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். அவங்க குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் டெய்லி ரொட்டீனில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஓப்பன் அப்பாக பேசணும்னா ஜென்ரலாகவே விமன் கேட்பாங்க, ஒரு லேடி டாக்டர் இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்குமே. இது வந்து காலங்காலமாக நமக்கு ஆதரவு விழுது. ஸோ இந்த மெயின் தாட், a lady can approach a lady, or women can approach a women better. And here with a panel of best expertise with us, we thought this is the vision of Kaveri Hospital to start the Women Wellness Clinic. And the whole panel is full of gynecologists, obstetricians, and urologists, and breast surgeons and plastic surgeons. So everybody is here for them to approach. So இதுதான் எங்களுடைய மூல காரணம் எதுக்காக இந்த Women Wellness Clinic. Now I'll give it to my colleague Dr. Sabiha to explain more.
The reason why we have launched this Women's Wellness Center is what? Because it has been our long time dream and goal that we said we wanted to include all the multi-speciality department under one roof. Okay, so this is the main reason, because at every place we have all doctors at different places. But the reason that is special about this particular wellness center is that we are providing our women with all the departments under the same place, and which is quite exclusively only for women, because they have their time, they have their space to discuss with us their issues, and so that we can put them on to, and we can guide them, like, you know, which department they have to go, because they are all in one place. They don't have to move around, like, you know, searching for doctors or searching for places, because we are giving them the best of the skills, expertise present under one roof. That is our main idea of opening this Kaveri Wellness Women's Center.
When you open the wellness, you include yoga and emotional wellness, mental wellness, that also you have.
See, the wellness center, as you say, it should include the holistic approach. Yes, we do agree. We do have departments for that. But our main thing was the concerns that the women has. Their main problems. There is so much of hesitation for them to bring out their problems to one particular person. So that effort they liked to speak to a women doctor. And in the women doctor means the first they reach out to a family physician, or the first point of contact for them is an obstetrician and gynecologist, where they can discuss with certain other issues. Like, say, for example, it's related to their abnormal bleeding that they have, or it is related to, as doctor said, to their urinary complaints, because there are certain issues which women don't feel free to just come out like that. You know, they need some place and space to discuss the issues. That is what we are trying to say about the health conditions where they are facing the challenges. Regarding the mental health, we do have our psychiatrists, we do have psychologists who are all women doctors, where when there is a one point of contact with us, we advise them or we refer them you need such a treatment, you will be benefited by this consultant. So we refer them to the required consultants needed, because we have all the facilities and all. As we are focusing on women, we have the women doctor specialties at Kaveri Hospital. We do have physiotherapy department, as you say. We have a counselor who can teach yoga. We have people who can teach them exercise and bring in. We have preventive health checkups. We are not only focusing on problems, we are having preventive health checkups. We have vaccination centers where we can provide all the services to them.
Kaveri Alvapet is extremely proud and humbled in having the evergreen actress Ms. Shalini Ajit Kumar on stage with us in this special ceremony. We thank you for your presence and thank you for accepting the invite, ma'am. So this is the initiative that is going to be serving a lot of women community, and at this moment we would like to felicitate our guest of honor, and to do the honors I invite our Executive Director Dr. Aravindan Selvaraj on stage. Along with him I request Dr. Kavita, our Chief Family Physician, and Dr. Arul Mori Mangai, our plastic surgeon, to join on stage.
Good afternoon. It's my privilege and honor to deliver this vote of thanks on the special occasion, the inauguration of our Women's Wellness Clinic. On behalf of our entire team, I would like to first extend our heartfelt gratitude and gratitude to our respected co-founder and executive director, Dr. Aravindan sir. Thank you, sir. It's your support and vision that has made this clinic come to reality today. Our very special thank you to Mrs. Shalini Ajit. It's our pleasure to have you here, and thank you for taking your time off and to be a part of our clinic inauguration today. I would also like to thank Dr. Ayappan sir, our medical director, and Dr. Mahesh, our medical superintendent. I think they've been working tirelessly, and and also a lot of effort has been put on their behalf to make sure the clinic opened today. I wish to thank all the doctors, nurses, staffs who are the basic foundation for the Kaveri Women's Wellness Center. If it is not for you and the support that we had, I don't think this day would have happened. So thanks again for all the support system that we have, and looking forward to working in this clinic with our support team. Finally, thank you for each one of you who are present here. Your support and goodwill will help us start a new chapter, and as we embark a new chapter in Kaveri Hospital, we would like to have your support and also your strength. You're providing your strength, and as we all work together, let's start and go ahead with a very bright future. Thank you.